In this video, I'll be going over how to multiply whole numbers by decimals. The two steps to accomplish this is first is to multiply. Secondly, place the decimal point back into the answer. Here's an example. The first step is to multiply, so we'll write out the multiplication. When multiplying, we want to place the number in the proper position. So the first step is to take 6 times 8 and then 6 times 1, and the number that we want to place is aligned here. So 6 times 8 is 48. We'll place the plus 4 on top. 6 times 1 plus 4 is 10. So we'll place it like this. Now, the second one we want to handle is the number 2. And we want to place the number aligned here. So 2 times 8, 16. We'll place the plus 1 here. And then 2 times 1 is 2, and plus the 1 is 3. Lastly, the 0. And we want to align the number here. So 0 times 8 is 0. 0 times 1 is 0. And finally, we add them all up. So the 8 will bring it down. 0 plus 6, 6. 1 plus 3 plus 0 is 4, 0. And the last step is to place the decimal point in the answer. And the way to do that is to first locate where the decimal point is. The number 0.26 has 2 decimal spaces. So in the answer, we want to also place 2 decimal spaces. It would go like this. 1, 2. And the decimal point will be placed right here. So the answer would be 4.68. Here's another example. 8 times 7.36. So the first step is to multiply. So we'll write this out. 8 times 7.36. Now using the same process, we're gonna take 6 times the 8, align it here. So we have 48. Then the next one would be 3. And so 3 times 8, 24. The next 7. 7 times 8, 56. Now we add them up. Bring down the 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. 2 plus 6 is 8. And then bring down the 5. And lastly, we need to find out the decimal point. So that's 2 spaces. So we're going to apply the 2 spaces here. And our final answer is 58.88. So these 2 examples are how you would multiply whole numbers by decimals. Thank you for watching.